Welcome back, Nail Queens. Today's video features Crazy Girl Dips. Jamie over at Crazy Girl Dips sent me their November subscription box, and I'm excited to unbox it and use it because this is totally up my alley. This box is like woodlands themed, like little animals and everything, and literally it has all those vibes when you see all the items that are in this box. I really like how this box came together, the theme. It's really cute, and it's perfect for fall and November and everything. It also came with this little Chex Mix, like churro Chex Mix. I haven't eaten it yet, but it looks delicious, so I should probably pull that out and have it as a snack for tonight, because I totally love sweet things. Next, you have these toenail separators, which are perfect if you paint your toenails yourself. I actually do. I don't do it as often as I should, but these will definitely come in handy because the struggle is real. And it's cute that they have that little heart shape on them. Next, you have all these decals. There's so many different decals which go great with that woodlands animal owl theme. These have such cute little owls on here. And then we have these little blackout flowers and stems, and then on this side you have these little polka dots and plaid. I think they're really cute for the season and go great with this box as well. And this last sheet is very animated, still animal themed like the first one, but it's definitely more animated where the first one is more realistic. And I love those little mushrooms. I think I've seen a lot of mushroom nails trending lately, so I think that would be cute to use these mushrooms in a manicure. So again, with the owls, here's a little owl sticker. If you guys collect stickers or give them to your children or something, these stickers in these boxes are great. And then we have flannel. Flannel is the cuticle oil that came in this one's box. It smells wonderful. If you guys are into that like woodsy, musky scent, I think you'll like these cuticle oils. I have her cuticle oil from last month, which smells really amazing as well. So I'm just here applying it. It lathers on really well. Next up in the box is this little cute wood slice. I think they did this themselves at home, which is really awesome because I love crafts and I've definitely painted on wood slices before. They're really fun. So you could totally use this as a coaster if you want, which is definitely what I'm going to do. I'm going to keep this on my nail desk and use it as a coaster for something to drink while I'm doing my nails. This brown Sharpie totally fits in with the theme because you can do hand painted nail art, and I'll show you guys later on a really cool trick that I saw in their Facebook group. So now you have these little tweezers. They're not little, they're actually, they're little at the end. They're very pointed and pointy and thin, but it's a very long set of tweezers, and the other end of it has a little silicone piece on it, which is great for water slide decals to push them down, or any kind of stickers you want to put on your nail. And this silicone mold, those tweezers are going to come in handy for the silicone mold. I'm not going to demo it in this video, but I've seen things in the Crazy Girls Facebook group about how to use the silicone mold with dip powder, gel, and other things like that. So here are the 3 dip powders that came in this box. They're really fun, and I'm going to be using 2 of the 3 dip powders in today's manicure. So if you guys want to see a mani happen, keep on watching. Okay, so I've already dipped in 2 of the colors, and this color right here is Bliss. It's a color that I received last month from Crazy Girl Dips. So I'm going to take the Sharpie and I'm just going to draw lines straight up and down this entire nail. Mind you, I've already top coated it. It has dip powder, activated files, shaped and buff, and gel top coat on it. So it's got a nice, sleek, smooth surface, and that's what I'm using to glide the Sharpie up and down the nail. So Nita, I'll link her Instagram down below. She posted her technique on doing this like wood grain in their Facebook group, and I thought it was so freaking cool. So I themed this entire mani kind of like around this wood grain. So that's why I did the nails that I did. I did 3 of the solid nails. It's like a gray blue. It's really pretty. And then I used the chunkier glitter on my middle finger as one of the accent nails. And this wood grain here is the second accent nail. So I've done 2 coats of this brown Sharpie on top of the nail, and I'm just adding in more brown, and then now I'm drawing circles. So the circles are going to make the wood grain look more realistic, like the little divots and imperfections that you find in natural wood. So that's why I'm drawing them here. And I'm going to continue adding a couple lines that flow around the circles because Usually if you look at a piece of wood, the grain goes around the circle, not straight through, because that's where the imperfection is. And then after this is all done, I'm going to let that air dry. It shouldn't take long. And then top coat with a gel top coat to seal it all in nicely and so that it doesn't chip while I'm wearing it. And then, so yeah, that's basically all this is. I didn't show you guys applying it, but I'm going to apply these press-on tips, and bada bing, bada boom. This is what it looks like. I'm literally editing right now. My hands are very, very dry, and my cat Bane wanted to say hello. He wants attention. We just got back from a trip yesterday, so he's like, Mom. So this is what the mani looks like. I'm sorry, I need to apply some of that cuticle oil that came in the box. I know it's looking a little dry. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe because I got more videos coming every single week. Bye!